How to enable dark mode on TikTok. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your app store and make sure that you updated your TikTok to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the TikTok app, and now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna click on my profile at the below right, okay? And afterwards, after you've seen your profile and everything, go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and from there you're gonna see settings and privacy. Just click on it, okay? And from there, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see content and display. You're gonna see many options. You're gonna just focus on the display kind of a button right here. Next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead, simply click on display, and as you can see right here, it's in the dark mode. Just go ahead and switch it to the light mode, and as you can see, now you are using TikTok with the light mode. And if you want to enable the dark mode, just go ahead simply and click the dark mode. As you can see, I have already set it up on the dark mode because my phone is already in the dark mode appearance. So no matter which app I'm entering in, it will be in the dark mode according to the system. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.